Hi guys, today we are going to solve basics challenge. The name of the challenge is let's review. So we have t number of test cases and we have t strings, and the problem asks to print those strings but in a really particular way. So we should print all even indexed characters first, then odd indexed characters, and we should separate them with space. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, we are going to take t and it should be integer int. Okay, so for in range 0 to t, we should get a string. Let's call that s input. Okay, got that. Then we should print that string in a particular way. So I'm going to write a function called custom print. Custom print. Going to send s. Okay, and let's define the function. Def custom print. We have s here. So we should save even indexed characters and odd indexed characters. So I'm going to create two things, two blank strings, even and odd. As the name suggests, even holds even indexed characters and odd is odd indexed characters. So for in range from 0 to the length of the string, and if I is even, then in plus si. So if this index is even, then guess that character, the even string, else not plus is I. Okay, and we are going to print. We are going to use f-type printing. First we print even index characters, then we separate them with the space, and then odd index characters. Let's run this code. Okay, sample test case passed. Let's submit this. Okay, great. So all test cases passed. Congratulations. So if you want to practice yourself, just click these tutorials, click this prepare, and you can do some problem solving here, Python basics here. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.